Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can change the time zone for your account on Smartsheet, for example, if you'd like to find out what time zone you're currently using here, so that you may, for instance, communicate that with your project team members if they're living in different time zones, for example. So what you want to do here is log into your account on Smartsheet, of course, and access your profile settings. To do that, click into that icon, account icon in the bottom left, and select personal settings. Here, navigate to settings to the left, and below communication preferences, you will see your current time zone, which is for me in this case here, this one here, but you may change it by clicking into the drop down menu. And for example, I don't know, go with US, I don't know, Pacific or something like that, or let me find Greenwich. There you go. So just bear in mind, guys, that this will apply only to your account and not to other accounts within your project, for example, of your team members. So don't forget to click into Save Here to save these changes. You may also change the date format, for example, and the number format by selecting a different regional preference here, switch from English to another one, if you like, for instance. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you change the time zone on Smartsheet. As you can see, these changes will then be applied instantaneously, and the page will be refreshed, and that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.